I've been sitting here thinking about all the things you do for me, how you make me. But wondering if it's the same for you, but when you're not around.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Hope you are well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, my name is Odette. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, turn on your notification, thumbs up this video. You will be definitely notified every time I upload a video. So today would be a skincare haul, just a small skincare haul for you guys, or beauty haul and a giveaway. So the Sephora gift card giveaway is now closed and the monthly giveaway has started for the month of August. You need to check out sassyover55.com, loyalty and giveaway for the actual giveaway for the month of August. And if you already visit the site and you enter, that's wonderful. But I also wanted to remember that the giveaway is for my subscribers only, and please do not subscribe to receive something, because we all know who our subscribers are. Okay, just keep that in mind. So I picked up this mask from the dollar store. This is $5. Okay, this is a clay mask. You do have the detox, deep cleaning and hydrating, and it also has a spoolie as well in here. But this is a silicone spoolie or silicone brush, but if you want to go in with your regular brush, that's totally fine. And I have been using this, and I gotta tell you, I was really surprised. And so these are mine, okay, just in case you're wondering. The yellow one is for the pore detox. Okay, these are all clay masks. I'm not quite sure if you remember back in the days when you would buy a clay mask, it's going to dry on your skin and you feel like your face is ready to crack in 100 pieces. Not with this, as you can see in the video. I went in with this mask. It took about maybe 5 minutes to dry. I kept it on for about 10 minutes. And as you can see, my face is soft as a baby's bum. It is so soft and gentle on my skin. It didn't peel or crack. No, it didn't dry my skin out. It didn't make my skin feel irritated. It was so amazing. And I thought, because I love this mask so much, I'm gonna have to do a giveaway. And again, this is the silicone pad right here. And I did use this at first when I put this on, but I do prefer to use a brush. As you can see in the video, I went in with a brush, and of course, you know, you go in with your regular skincare moisturizer, toner, whatever you have. But you guys are going to definitely enjoy this. This is from the dollar store. Again, one is for detox, deep cleaning and hydrating, and I'm also going to be giving away a eye brush set as well. And this is, hope I'm focused, and this is also from the dollar store. You would have seen this on Instagram, and this is only $4. And this is an eye brush set, great for traveling as well. Okay, so these two would be coming to one of my subscribers. Stay tuned to sassyover55.com, and when you see your name, send me a DM, because on Sunday, because you guys are watching this video today, Wednesday, on Sunday when you watch, on Sunday when you go to the website, you would see your name, and when you see your name, send me a DM, okay? Because I am just randomly selecting people of my beautiful subscribers to receive these gifts. And also September, we're going to have another monthly giveaway coming up, and again all the way down to December. However, I'm just going to give you a little warning right now. December, it's going to be a very big giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a $50 Sephora gift card, and I'm also going to be giving away a $100 Visa gift card. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Keep engaging on sassyover55.com. Put some things in the chat, comment on this video, whatever you want to do, and I will pick someone to receive a $100 Visa gift card and a $50 Visa gift card, because of course, you know, Christmas is coming and you may want to do some grocery shopping. You might want to get some gifts for some friends or something like that. The Visa gift card is going to come in handy, and you're going to be getting that Visa gift card before December the 16th. Keep that in mind. sassyover55.com is doing well, okay? Lots of hits on the website. when I watch your videos to the end, I let those ads play. Okay, I never skip the ads on your videos. So when you get on sassyover55.com, please click on those ads. That's how we all make money, okay? I help you make a few dollars by watching your videos to the end. I do, I swear to God. So again, when you get on sassyover55.com and you see the ads, please click on the ads, okay? And so next, I do have this eyeshadow palette, and this is from the dollar store. I am shopping cheap for my eyeshadow palette, and this is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is about $5, okay? I really cannot see myself spending $15, $20, $30, $40, $45, $50 on a palette. I just can't see it. And mind you, I know those eyeshadow palettes are really good, but I am all about skincare and I wear very little makeup, so there is no need for me to buy all of these expensive palettes. This is just my opinion. So this is the eyeshadow palette I used to do my makeup today. This is what I call fall ready. So I used this yellow, this beautiful shimmer yellow on the lid of my eyes. And I went in with one of the soft browns on the hood, and just slightly, there is no darker color in this palette, but the darkest brown I just used slightly on the side of my eyes. This is a gorgeous palette. The first thing I thought of was October, November, December. I thought of fall, I thought of Thanksgiving, I thought of Christmas. This is a beautiful palette. Again, $5 from the dollar store. And again, you can definitely travel with this. And I think I probably have maybe like 2 or 3 palettes from the dollar store. And of course, you guys would have seen the ones from Essence, Welcome to Rome palette and all of that. Those ones are really nice. Again, it's very easy to travel with. I picked up this eye pencil from Pixi. This is called the Endless Silky Eye Pen, and I'm wearing this in the bottom of my eyes today. Beautiful. This is an alternative to black, and especially if you're dark skin, I love to see a blue eyeliner on dark skin. I think it looks really sexy. So this is the pencil right here. Okay, and when I tell you, this blue eyeliner is silky, it is no joke. I am barely even going in strong with this, and look at how beautiful the strokes are here. It is just pretty. It's beautiful, deep blue. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it. It's more not a sky blue, it's more of a denim blue kind of thing. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see that, but this is very pretty. And by the way, the lipstick is from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to leave that in the description box. You guys have seen this before. And so yeah, this pencil is very nice. And let's see if it has a name. If it has a name, it's going to be in the description box for you guys. And from Pixi. And there we be. I also picked up from the dollar store this travel kit. This is an eye travel kit. This was only $5. It says, take me to the air. There's an airplane right there, hint, hint. And of course you can travel with this. So you do have a beauty blender. You can use this as a powder brush or maybe a foundation brush. And of course you do have your eye pencil. And you do have your eye brushes in here, not an eye pencil. Okay, I just showed you the eye pencil. Okay, so when you take this out, you do have this little silicone plastic case right here. Again, the beauty blender is quite soft. And this is the brush. You can actually use this for foundation or powder. And of course you do have 3 eye brushes in here. Okay, and this is a beautiful little mesh case. When you take all of your goodies out and you want to put things like your powder, or you want to put like your eye base, or maybe your setting powder in here, you can go right ahead. And I think this can hold quite a bit, because sometimes when you're traveling, you don't really need to pack so many things. Just pack your key pieces that you would need, maybe like your foundation, your highlighter and stuff like this, a lipstick. And this is a cute case, and again, this is from the dollar store, $5. Really cute. Last but not least, I have these beautiful bath bombs. These are from Core Beauty. If you live in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart. These are vanilla scented. These are so beautiful. When you put these in your tub and then you step out, your skin is soft and moisturize and smooth and supple. This is my second pack, and guys, you will not be sorry. But I mean, it all depends on how often you take your bath. Okay, I like to do my bath like on a Sunday night, because sometimes if I have a very busy week ahead, I want to be able to have that really good night's sleep. These are so pretty and they are absolutely gorgeous, and I gotta tell you something, guys, you will thank me later. Trust me when I tell you, you'll thank me later. Okay, thank me later when you start using these. You will not be sorry. They are amazing. They smell beautiful. And again, it's like a beautiful soft vanilla scent. Oh my God, it's absolutely gorgeous. Self-care, self-love, beautiful skin. What more could you ask for? Okay, so everything we talk about is going to be in the description box. And don't forget to check out the giveaway that's going on right now. Someone will be selected on Sunday. And when you are on sassiover55.com, don't go past those ads. Click on the ads. Because when I watch your videos to the end, and I also let those ads play, because this is how we get money, okay? So when you are on sassiover55.com and you see an ad pop up, please click on the ad, okay? And that's how we make the money. That's how we support each other, okay? So we are going to leave it here for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. If you do live next to or close to a Dollarama, go in and get these clay masks. You're going to love them. Again, you'll thank me later, okay? And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything is going to be down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and good luck in entering the giveaway, and I shall see you guys on Sunday. Toodles.